Good morning, Hub Muscle Nation. It is about 5:05 in the morning. Just wanted to talk to you real quick about, well, first off, I hope you had a great Easter yesterday. I am the only one up as of yet, waiting for the crew to come in. Melissa is not here yet. She is not up yet. But with all that being said, I want to talk to you real quick about post-Easter workout and weight gain from all the ham, all the food you ate. I am currently up 8 pounds. That is 4 and 4. 8 pounds in 48 hours. That is 8 pounds in 2 days. To me, it does not matter. I monitor everything I eat. I monitor the weight I gain. I really do not care about the scale, but I'm just here to tell you, for those of you who are scale happy or scale watchers, I can get that 8 back off by Tuesday, simply by watching what I eat yet again, getting back on the wagon, if you will, going back on my strict nutrition plan, and dropping my percentage of body fat. I am shooting for 10, hopefully by the end of the week, if not by Monday. A week from today, I should be at 10% body fat. I monitor my body fat. I do not monitor my weight. Don't watch the scale as far as focus on the scale. Scale is not a matter to me. It is simply just a matter of a guide. It's just amazing how much weight I go up personally simply by just having salt in my diet and or sugar, which is things that I limit very greatly on my day-to-day, as well as Melissa. She does too. I'm up 8, which means she's probably up about 6 or 7. Again, we could drop that off in about 48 hours. That does not matter to me nor her about the weight. What does matter is the body fat content. Again, I am watered up this morning from the sodium. I would show you, but it is just too chilly for me right now. It is raining. It's 55 out there, 61 right now in here. So don't worry about it. Just get back on the wagon, train hard, focus on your goal. Keep your blinders on about all the bullshit around you and focus on your goal. Who cares about what the scale says? Who cares about what anybody else says? You get out there, you get going, you work hard, you focus on what the body looks like in the mirror, what the tape measure shows, and what the body fat percentage is, and drop it. Enjoy your day. Stay strong, stay focused. Happy post-Easter. Good Monday morning. Peace!